Alright, so this is going to be a short video explaining how to access the quizzes after you've taken them to see your results and to go back and get feedback. So in that last video I showed you what it looked like to go to Gradebook. And the gradebook is not particularly helpful in explaining how you did on a quiz. It only shows you a percentage out of 10, and that's not even accurate. So do not use the gradebook as your source for figuring out how you did on quizzes. This is just a very brief percentage. It's not even accurate with respect to how your grade will be recorded for the course. The official grade for your quizzes is going to show up on Canvas on the Monday or Tuesday following a week where we've done material. That's when I'll update them, and then you'll see the points. It's not going to be out of 10 for every quiz. The quizzes only have 2 questions, that's out of 2. Quizzes that have 20 questions, that's out of 20. They're not all weighted the same. So if you want to figure out how you did on a particular quiz, instead go to Quizzes. And then once you're there, for each quiz it's going to tell you how many attempts you've done. This one I've used all 3, this one I've done 2 out of 3, this one I've done 0 out of 3. And then if I want to know how I did on a particular attempt, what I'm going to do is go to that quiz, click on this drop down box and click Submissions. And what this is going to do is give me each of my attempts, how many I got right out of the total, what my percentage is, and then what my highest attempt was, the one that was recorded. And then if I want to see how I did, I can click on the attempt, and this is going to give me all of the questions when I click on it that I answered incorrectly. So the stuff you see on a submission, on an attempt when you look at it, are the incorrectly answered ones. And then you can view feedback that should help you figure out why you got it wrong and what you might have chosen instead. Alright? So for that, it's going to show me 6. Here it's only going to show me 2, or show me none actually, because I got them all right. It's not going to show me anything. So when you get everything right, it's not going to give you very much feedback. It's only going to give you feedback when you get things incorrect. Okay. For ones that I've used all the attempts, that's how I do it. Same thing if I haven't used all the attempts, right? This one I've done 2 of 3. Same thing, go to Submissions. It's going to show me for each of these. And when I click on one, it's going to give me all the ones that I got incorrect so that I can attempt to address that on my final attempt.